Test Automation Engineer version 2.0, question number 3. Which one of the following factors is not necessary to consider when determining suitable test tools? Mind the not word, because if it's without not, you have to give positive answer, and if there is a not in the question, you have to give negative answer, and people tend to forget about this little not. So, which is not necessary? Answer A. System under test architecture. It is necessary because we have to use tools that are compatible with system under test architecture. B. Actual composition and experience of the test team. It should be considered when you determine which test tools to use, because, for example, if your test automation engineers know only C# or Java or Python, you need to use tools with Java, Python, or C#. So this is something you need to consider. So this is wrong answer as well. C. Licensing and support of a test tool. You have to consider it because, for example, different licensing may mean different costs for your project, and support or lack of support may mean that if you have troubles with the tool, you are left alone, or you have people you can ask questions about the tool. So C is also wrong answer because you have to consider licensing and supports. Then maybe D. D is quality of the system under test requirements, and it's more or less irrelevant. Yeah, because maybe relevant sometimes, because if you have poor requirements, you may not be able to do test automation, because you may not be able to design test cases, and if you don't design test cases, you cannot automate them. So in some cases, it may be somewhat relevant, but generally D is the best answer for this question.